Dun 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 dun. Wow wow.
Hi, you're watching Sky News Channel 8. Today, our big question is, what bird feeds its babies milk? That question will be answered at the end of the show. And also, we have our interview with Lily today about her drums. And right at the end, we will also have a big talk about how good vegetables really are. So, let's check in with Lily and her drums. Hi, we are here with Lily and her drums. I'm going to ask you a few questions, Lily. How old are you? I am 5. 5 years old. And which is your favorite drum? This one. That one. I have one more question for you. How long have you been playing? Well, I have started 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago? Are you really good? Yes. Can you please play a few notes for us? Okay. That was lovely. So, that was our interview with Lily. Thank you, Lily, for showing us your drums. Back to you, Skylar. We're in Miss Tish's kitchen, and she's going to talk a little bit about the vegetables and how she uses them. So I have a few questions before we begin.
Sure.
Do you have any kids?
I have 2 daughters, yes.
Oh. And so, how much do you use these vegetables, and how do you like to use them?
I try to use vegetables in each meal, and I try to buy vegetables that my children will like, and I try to also introduce them to new ones.
Wow, that sounds awesome. And so, how would you enjoy to use these vegetables in meals?
Well, one recipe that I really love is mixing vegetables in with scrambled eggs or omelets. So in the case of an omelet or a scrambled egg, you can mix in baby spinach, mushrooms, and sliced tomatoes. And they are so delicious with eggs, with a little cheese on top. Wow. You can also mix them into pasta dishes to add a little vegetable flair and a little extra health bonuses.
Well, that sounds delicious. And if you'd like to try any of these, you may. So, that is all from Miss Tish's kitchen. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Back to you, Skylar. Now, it's time for Super Animal Fact with Lily. Okay, Lily, I have a very tough question for you today, but what is the fastest bird on the planet? Peregrine falcon. That is correct. They can reach up to speeds of 270 miles per hour. Incredible! I don't think anybody can even run that fast. So, that is our answer for today. I'll see you next time on Super Animal Quiz with Lily. See you later. Back to you, Skylar. We have reached the end of our show, but first I will tell you the answer to our question. What birds give their babies milk? And the answer is pigeons. Yes, it might sound unbelievable, but it's true. They don't give their babies worms and termites or even other birds. They actually give them milk. You can even look it up online if you like, or you could take my word for it. That is the end of our show. Thank you for watching Sky News Channel 8.
Dun 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 dun. Wow wow.